In this video lesson, we're going to continue on with our gated synths lab. Let's work on getting our gate set up. The concept of a gate is we're going to use the sound of another instrument to open and close the gate. In this case, the sound will be coming from this track, the second boom. So we won't be listening to boom for the sound, we'll be using boom to open and close the gate and let the sound of this expand synthesizer through in a very rhythmic way. All right? So we need to have a key for the gate, and our key is going to be this boom right here. So we're going to have to set the output of this to a bus. So I don't want to put it on the main output because I don't want to listen to it. I'm going to put it on a bus where it's just going to go and act as a key, and I'll send it over to bus number 1. Now I'll come back over here to my expander gate plugin and set my key input to bus number 1. Now the sound of this boom drum machine is coming in to the key right there. So the audio from that is going to be our key. Now we need to turn that effect on so the compressor knows, or the expander gate knows, oh, you want me to use the key to open and close the gate. So I'll go right here, and there's a little icon of a key right there. Now I'm going to put some links in D2L so you can really read all you want about expanders and gates and the fine points, but I do want to move ahead here in the lab and just get you started creatively. All right? Now that I've got that, let's go ahead and unmute that second boom and see if we hear anything. There we go. And no, we don't. Okay? Let's unmute our expand and see if we hear anything. Sure enough, we do. Let's stop play for a sec. Okay? And I'm going to drop right in the track right there so we don't have to wait for the 2 bars of empty space there. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the threshold all the way here, and let's see what happens. Right now, the threshold is so low that any sound from any one of the drums in the kit is keeping the gate open and letting the sound of the synth through. What we're going to do is gradually raise the threshold, and as we raise that, it's going to take stronger and stronger sounds to open the gate. Otherwise, it will be closed. So we'll hear it open and close as we raise the threshold. Now let's gradually raise that threshold. There we go. Okay, so you can see how the threshold really makes a difference on how much or how many of those drum hits that are coming from the second boom are going to be opening and closing the gate. Right there you can really hear the kick drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little bit of hi-hat, a little bit of the other activity going on there. The other thing that we can experiment with is the attack time, so let me there. And the release time. So very short attack, very short release. So that should give you a pretty good starting place to just have some fun and experiment with gates in a real rhythmic way. All right?